Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I'm Mr. Jones Crasto and I would like to welcome you to Jones Crasto, your ultimate destination for entertainment and news. Explore our YouTube channel for the latest in news and entertainment, complemented by expert insights on mergers and acquisitions, the buying and selling of exclusive real estate, luxury yachts, corporate jets, helicopters, and their global operations. Discover cutting edge guidance on satellite launches, military submarines, aircraft, tanks, aircraft carriers, and more. Visit jonescrasto.com or reach us at jonescrasto@gmail.com for further details. Thank you for joining us. Now, let's delve into today's discussion. Bank of Japan's bold move, interest rates at a 17-year high. Discover how the Bank of Japan's decision to raise interest rates to their highest level since 2008 is shaping the global economy and impacting the yen. Learn how rising wages and inflation forecasts could define Japan's financial future. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on global financial trends. Introduction. The financial world is abuzz with the latest development from Tokyo. The Bank of Japan (BOJ) has made a historic decision, raising its interest rates to 0.5%, the highest level since the 2008 global financial crisis. This significant move not only highlights Japan's confidence in its economy but also sends ripples across global markets. In this video, we will break down the reasons behind this decision, its implications for Japan and the global economy, and what this means for the yen and inflation control. The big picture. Why this matters. For decades, the BOJ has maintained ultra low interest rates to stimulate growth and combat deflation. However, this rate hike makes a pivotal shift in its monetary policy. Here's why it matters. 17-year milestone. The latest rates were this high. The world was grappling with the aftermath of the 2008 financial crisis. Inflation control. Japan's inflation is now stable around the 2% target, signaling economic recovery. Yen's jump. The yen strengthened significantly following the announcement, reflecting market confidence in this bold decision. This marks a new chapter for Japan's economy and serves as a case study for how central banks globally can respond to economic challenges. Breaking down the decision, the rate hike. The BOJ increased the short term policy rate by 25 basis points, raising it from 0.25% to 0.5%. This hike is Japan's strongest signal yet that it is prepared to transition from years of easy money policies to a more conventional monetary approach. Revised inflation forecast. The BOJ has raised its price projections, showing optimism about Japan's wage growth and economic stability. Raising wages, coupled with steady inflation, provide a solid foundation for this policy shift. Commitment to further action. The BOJ has pledged to continue raising rates if necessary, emphasizing its commitment to controlling inflation and ensuring economic stability. Key drivers behind the move. Raising wages. Japan's wages are on the rise, driven by improved corporate profits and labor market conditions. Higher wages are expected to sustain household consumption, support inflation at manageable levels. Inflation target. With inflation hovering around the BOJ's 2% target, the central bank is confident that the economy is ready for tighter monetary policies. Unlike other nations, where inflation often spirals out of control, Japan's inflation is seen as stable and sustainable. Global stability. The BOJ cited stable global markets and Japan's robust financial system as additional factors supporting this rate hike. Impact on the yen. Following the rate hike, the yen experienced a sharp jump, reflecting market confidence in the BOJ's decision. A stronger yen can make imports cheaper, reducing cost for Japanese businesses and consumers. Challenge exporters as a stronger currency makes Japanese goods more expensive abroad. Balancing these effects will be critical for Japan's economic outlook. How this affects Japan's economy positive impacts. Boost to savings. Higher interest rates encourage savings, benefiting households. Control of inflation. This move reinforces the BOJ's commitment to price stability. Market confidence. Investors see this decision as a sign of Japan's economic resilience. Challenges. Corporate borrowing costs. Higher rates may increase borrowing costs for businesses. Export concerns. The stronger yen could reduce the competitiveness of Japanese exports. A global perspective. Comparisons with other economies. Japan's decision stands out against a backdrop of aggressive rate hikes by central banks worldwide. While the US Federal Reserve and the European Central Bank have focused on curbing runaway inflation, Japan's measured approach showcases its unique economic conditions. Implications for global markets. Currency markets. The yen's rise could impact currency exchange rates worldwide. Investor sentiment. Japan's move may attract foreign investment, signaling economic stability. Ripple effects. Other central banks may take cues from Japan's ability to balance inflation control with economic growth. Insights from BOJ Governor Ueda. BOJ Governor Ueda emphasized the importance of maintaining market stability while ensuring inflation remains within target. In his press briefing, he highlighted the role of wage growth is in sustaining economic recovery. The BOJ's readiness to adjust policies as needed to address challenging changing economic conditions. Governor Ueda's remarks reflect the BOJ's cautious but optimistic approach to monetary policy. Scenarios to watch. Further rate hikes. If wage growth and inflation continue to meet expectations, the BOJ may implement additional rate hikes, further strengthening the yen. Economic headwinds. Unexpected challenges, such as global economic slowdowns or trade disruptions, could face the BOJ to reconsider its policy stance. Market reactions. The impact on financial markets, both in Japan and globally, will be closely monitored as investors adjust to this new reality. Conclusion. The Bank of Japan's decision to raise interest rates to their highest level in 17 years is a landmark moment for the country's economy. By addressing inflation, encouraging wage growth, and maintaining market stability, the BOJ has set a bold course for Japan's financial future. However, challenges remain from balancing this impact of a stronger yen to navigating global economic uncertainties. As the world watches, Japan's ability to adapt to these changes will serve as a model for economic resilience and innovation. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Thank you for your time. Please subscribe my video. Thank you. My channel. Thank you.